It's best to start your weaving with a row of twining, also called a twisted header. This gives a nice edge to your weaving and also keeps the threads of yarn equally separated. First, slot a spacer at the bottom of your weaving behind the threads. You can use the wooden shuttle that came with your loom, or you can use a piece of card. This just makes it easier to tie the knots at the end of your weaving. To start your row of twining, measure out a length of yarn 3 to 4 widths wide of your weaving. In the video I've used 4, but 3 will also be enough. Fold it in half and loop over the first warp string on the left. The top part of the yarn will be over the warp and the bottom part will be under. Bring the 2 strings out straight to the side. Bring the bottom part of the yarn up over the top and under the next warp string and lay it above the other yarn end. This creates a twist in the yarn. Now the top part of the yarn is at the bottom. Bring this up over the other string and under the next warp string. Continue in this manner right across the loom. When you get to the end, tuck the 2 yarn ends behind to sew in later.